Hey guys, today we're going to focus on codominance, very similar to incomplete dominance that you've already completed. If you didn't complete incomplete, if you didn't incomplete, if you did not complete the incomplete dominance problems, you need to go back and do those before you move on to this. So with codominance, we are going to take two alleles and they are going to be codominant to each other. One does not outshine the other. One is not more dominant than the other. If you look at some of the pictures I have here, you get roan cows, you get spotted horses, you have pink and white flowers or red and white flowers. So they actually express both alleles equally. Looking at this slide here, we're going to look at a heterozygous condition, one of each allele, that's going to produce roan cattle, is what they call it with cows. So we're going to use capital R to express red. Capital W gives you white. And RW would be a red and a white. So this is what we call roan. Here's an actual picture showing you an expressing phenotype. I'm going to do the cross, capital W. Going to cross that with capital R, and every cow is going to be spotted, or what we call roan, with an R allele and a W allele. I could look at chickens. They also can express or be checkered. So in this case, I have a black chicken, capital B. I'm going to cross it with a white chicken, capital W, and you're going to get checkered. So BW is checkered. I could use two of the same letter or two different letters. So here's the example of using two different letters, giving you checkered, just like incomplete dominance. I could use two of the same, and this is going to give me capital B lowercase, and then I get checkered. So all of these offspring you see here, they're going to be checkered just like they are here. It's whether you want to use two different letters or you want to use an uppercase and a lowercase. So in terms of practice, we're going to use capital R for red, capital W for white. RW would give us roan. So filling in this first Punnett square, I'm going to get RW, 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 RW. I don't know what I did up there. Okay, so genotypically, I could fill in my ratios. I'm going to have 0 of the 4 RR. I'm going to have 4 of the 4 RW, and then 0 WW. Phenotypically, I'll have 0 red, I'll have 4 that are roan, and 0 that are white. I could do this with the two different letters, as you see here. I could do this again with the same letter choices. So capital R being red, lowercase being white, I'm sorry, not R. Capital R, lowercase r being roan, which is a red and a white allele. So in this case, I'm just using the same letters. So I can fill in the Punnett square the same, capital R, lowercase, capital R, lower, capital R, lowercase, capital R, lowercase. Here, I could tally my results, 0, capital R, 4 being, oops, there's a typo, capital R, lowercase, and then it's going to be 0, lowercase. In terms of red, I'll have 0, roan, I'll have the 4, and white would be 0. That was doing the same problem, just two different ways of expressing that. So let's change it up a bit. Let's say I'm going to use the capital R for red, the W for the white, roan being RW. I'm going to cross roan cattle with roan cattle, and I'm going to get my results. In this first box, I would have RR. Second box, RW. Bottom left, RW. Bottom right, WW. So again, I need to count my genotypes. How many ended up capital R, capital R? I have 1 of the 4. Being RW, 2 of the 4. Being WW, 1 of the 4. In terms of red, I'm going to have how many red? That would be 1, roan 2, and the white turns out to be 1. Even though that's not putting that in the right spot. My formatting's moving. So you should have a 1 in front of that white. Okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to work on page 37, 38 of your chapter packet. So you're going to do all the problems. There's 10 problems. You're going to take a screenshot of page 37 and page 38, and I just want you to upload them both on this slide. If you need to add a second slide for the pictures, that's fine. You can take a screenshot with your phone and then upload that to your Google Drive, or just get it to your Chromebook, upload them here and upload them here. Then you're going to have a quick form to fill out for me with a couple questions on codominant, and you're done for the day. So as long as you upload your pictures and then you go ahead and fill out the form, you'll get your points. All right, guys.